The following question is about amphoteric oxides, and the question states, which statement about amphoteric oxides is not correct? First thing we need to do is we need to figure out what is the meaning of the term amphoteric and what do you mean by amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric is the word that is used for substances that can react with both acids and bases. So they can react with both acids and they can also react with bases, which means that they exhibit both properties. With acids, when they're reacting with acids, they are behaving as bases, and when they're reacting with bases, then they are behaving as acids. So they show both properties of acids and bases. So the first statement is that they dissolve in water. So I'm going to give you examples of amphoteric oxides. Aluminium oxide is an amphoteric oxide. Then you have zinc oxide is also an amphoteric oxide. You have lead oxide, which is also amphoteric. So most of these oxides are insoluble. Remember, only group 1 oxides and a few oxides at the bottom of group 2 are soluble. So there are very few soluble oxides. Group 1 and the ones at the bottom of group 2 are soluble, and they are highly alkaline oxides. So the first statement, option A, is definitely incorrect. So that was what the question was looking for. It was looking for the incorrect statement. So the first statement, option A, is incorrect. The rest of the statements are correct. If you look at option B, they're formed only by metals. So most amphoteric oxides are metal oxides. There's certain metals, metalloids to be specific, that form amphoteric oxides. Option C is that they react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to give salts. And option D is that they react with aqueous acids to give salts as well. So they can do both things. They can react with alkalis. Sodium hydroxide is an alkali, it's a base. And they can also react with aqueous acids. And in both cases, they would produce salt. So they're capable of reacting with both acids and bases. So option C and D are also correct. The only incorrect statement was option A. Hence option A is going to be your correct answer for this question.